Welcome back, my name is VassaOlga. In this tutorial slash celebrity video, we're recreating Zendaya makeup look. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I think it's time to get started. First, I'm gonna prime my whole face with Mua Makeup Academy Pro Base Moisturizing Primer. I did a review on this primer, so if you're interested, then check this out. Before this primer, I applied a little bit of a moisturizer. Now it's time to use my foundation. This is gonna be Wet n Wild Photo Focus Ivory Dew foundation. And I did another review on this foundation. You can check out this video as well. And as always, I forgot my beauty blender, so I'll be right back. By the way, make sure your beauty blender is wet. And somewhere I need some extra coverage because I want to get rid of this redness right here. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more of my foundation. Next thing is pretty much obvious. I'm gonna be applying my favorite concealer from Sephora, color 08 Ivory, light ivory. And with the same beauty blender, I'm buffing this out. While everything is in place, I'm gonna be going to my Catrice powder. This is color white. I mean, I definitely like when it's kind of like giving some extra texture. And this foundation is a little bit darker than my natural skin tone, so I kind of toned it with my concealer. But now it's time to go to my Catrice powder that's gonna make it even. And with my makeup puff, I'm making sure that I set everything in place. Foundation is set, and it's time to contour my face. What I really like about Zendaya makeup look is that it's so structured, and I like that she has every single time this really clean line. On the sides, I will be using my angled brush. This is the best way to do this really precise line, and I show you pretty much a lot of this technique in my previous videos, but if you haven't seen this yet, so here it is. You grab a little bit of warm brown color. It depends on your skin tone. I have really fair complexion. Zendaya doesn't really have any kind of harsh contour. That's why I'll be doing it really easy. I'm kind of like stamping this on my face like this. And I guess I'm gonna grab a little bit of this warmer and kind of like darker chocolate color, just a little bit, probably mixing with my brown soft color, and again, stamping this on my cheekbone. We're gonna blend this out, kind of like flip my brush this way and start diffusing this edge a little bit with the same brush. I'm not bringing this color down, I'm kind of like trying to get it up. And it looks a little bit orangey, I know it, because I have some leftovers from my previous makeup look, but don't worry, we're gonna use some blush over this contour. And I'm gonna do pretty much the same thing on my left side. With the same brush, I'm placing the same two colors, but we're kind of toning the nose. Now from the same beige palette that I'm holding in my hand, I'm going to any brush and picking really soft pink color. If you need a little bit darker color, then it has like different range of colors. And I'm making sure that the sides of my nose are kind of whitened. Back to my blush. We can definitely see on the picture that Zendaya has this nice peachy blush. We're going to Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush. I wish I knew what color this is. Pearlescent pink, probably. What about blush? Zendaya wears it's a little bit kind of like mixed in the contour, but I know my shape, my face shape, so it doesn't really look good on me. That's why I want to kind of like mix it a little bit here and then in my contour. I guess I'm gonna apply some highlighter with my BH brush. This is gonna be Wet n Wild Color Icon Highlighter. So this look is really affordable, guys. I'm placing this on my cheekbones and a little bit here. I didn't forget about my brows. I'm gonna do them off camera because my brows are definitely not gonna be pretty much the same as Zendaya's because I don't really have the really bushy and fluffy brows. I'll be right back. We're gonna be needing my NYX, well, this is pretty much old NYX eyeshadows, Hot Yellow. To lock everything in place, I'm going in with the NYX Prove It Eye Primer. By the way, guys, you don't have to be super generous with this product because it's a little bit sticky when you apply it, and when you apply it too much, it's gonna just, lock your eyeshadows, and it's gonna be really hard to move this product. You know what? I'm gonna be using my really old MAC brush, flat brush. And I'm packing this color on my lid. Now with my Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm gonna make sure that it looks nicely blended. So I'm gonna grab just a little bit, a tiniest bit of this color, like this. See that? I grabbed a little bit and start blending this out to my brow bone. Back to my BH contour palette. I guess we're gonna play with this really warm brown color with this kind of like triangle shape from Beauty Bay brush set. I'm picking a little bit of this color on my brush like this, tapping this off, and I start some circular motions applying this shade. I'm going to this black eyeliner. I'm gonna apply a little bit in the corner like this. Flat brush, and I'm kinda diffusing this line. What about the lower lid? It has some black pencil underneath. I'm picking the same brown color, and my yellow shade goes in the inner corner like this. Final thing to do is with the highlighter that we used to highlight my whole face, with this brush, whatever, I'm picking a little bit of this highlighter, applying this in the inner corner. I'm gonna coat my lashes with my Essence mascara. Okay guys, I'm finally done with this makeup look. I'm so happy that I recreated this gorgeous Zendaya makeup look. Guys, I think this is amazing. I applied a little bit of my Devage Vinyl Gloss Lip Plumper. It's just like pink gloss, nothing crazy, and I'm obsessed. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click notification bell. I hope to see you in my next video. If you didn't, then just dislike this video and tell me what you didn't like. Till the next time, bye bye.